Today in this video I am going to talk about the effects of osteomyelitis on our bones and see if I can uncover the truth behind this condition. Osteomyelitis is a serious bone infection that can lead to severe consequences if not treated promptly. It's a condition that affects thousands of people every year, and yet, it's often misunderstood or misdiagnosed. Chronic pain is just one of the many challenges posed by osteomyelitis. Imagine having a constant, throbbing pain in your bones that won't go away, no matter how much rest you get or how many painkillers you take. It's a debilitating symptom that can affect every aspect of your life, from your work to your relationships and even your mental health. But chronic pain is just the tip of the iceberg. Osteomyelitis can also lead to potential bone loss, which can have disastrous consequences for your mobility and independence. Imagine not being able to walk or run or even stand without feeling excruciating pain in your bones. It's a scary thought, and it's a reality for many people living with osteomyelitis. Diagnosing osteomyelitis is also a challenge in itself. The symptoms can be vague and non-specific, making it difficult for doctors to pinpoint the exact cause of the problem. This means that patients may have to undergo a series of tests and scans before getting an accurate diagnosis, which can be frustrating and stressful. Osteomyelitis is caused by bacterial infections, which can spread to the bone through the bloodstream or through open wounds. There are several types of bacteria that can cause osteomyelitis, including Staphylococcus aureus and E. coli. In some cases, the infection can be caused by fungi or viruses, but bacterial infections are the most common. Different age groups are affected by osteomyelitis in different ways. For example, children and teenagers are more prone to osteomyelitis due to their developing bones, while people over the age of 50 are more likely to develop osteomyelitis due to underlying health conditions such as diabetes or arthritis. People with certain health conditions, such as sickle cell disease or HIV/AIDS, are also more susceptible to osteomyelitis. This is because their compromised immune systems make them more vulnerable to infections. If left untreated, osteomyelitis can lead to irreversible damage, including amputation or severe complications. Imagine losing a limb or experiencing chronic pain for the rest of your life because you didn't get treatment in time. It's a terrifying thought, and it's a reality for many people who don't take osteomyelitis seriously. In fact, many people with osteomyelitis end up having multiple surgeries or prolonged hospital stays, which can be stressful and expensive. In some cases, the infection can even spread to other parts of the body, leading to life-threatening complications. Osteomyelitis can also lead to sepsis, a life-threatening condition that occurs when the body's response to an infection becomes uncontrolled and causes widespread inflammation. Sepsis can lead to organ failure, and even death, if left untreated. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Osteomyelitis is a serious condition that requires prompt treatment and attention. Early detection and treatment are crucial in preventing irreversible damage and protecting bone health. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on osteomyelitis in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about bone health, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring another fascinating topic.